If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Rakuten, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Rakuten account. Look for any messages requesting additional information or confirming your registration. Sometimes, a simple email response can resolve the pending status. Step 2. Verify your account information. Log into your Rakuten account and review your personal information. Ensure that your name, address, and payment details are accurate and up to date. Any discrepancies can lead to verification issues. Step 3. Resubmit verification documents. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after checking your email and verifying your information, reach out to Rakuten's customer support. Provide them with details about your account and the verification issue for assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, be patient and wait for Rakuten to process your verification. This can take some time, so keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Rakuten. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.